In a bustling marketplace, where the vibrant hum of commerce filled the air, there lived a tiny blowfly named Buzz. Buzz was not like the other flies. He was inquisitive, always eager to learn, and had a peculiar fascination with the world of forensics. One day, as Buzz was buzzing around a butcher's stall, he noticed a peculiar sight. A customer had dropped a coin, and the butcher, unaware, had continued to work. Buzz, intrigued, decided to investigate. With his small wings fluttering, Buzz delved into the butcher's stall. He examined the dropped coin, its shiny surface reflecting his inquisitive eyes. He then flew to a nearby stream, dipping the coin in the water, hoping to uncover something. In the clear water, the coin seemed to tell a tale. The reflection revealed a strange pattern on the coin's edge. Buzz, though small, understood the importance of details. He knew that every detail, no matter how small, could hold a significant clue. Buzz returned to the butcher, his heart fluttering with excitement. He showed the butcher the pattern on the coin, explaining his findings. The butcher, astonished, thanked Buzz for his help, promising to return the coin. Word of Buzz's deed spread throughout the marketplace. People praised the little fly for his insight and dedication. Buzz, though small, had made a big difference. He had shown everyone the importance of paying attention to details and the role they play in uncovering truth. From that day forward, Buzz was no longer just a simple blowfly. He was the marketplace's unofficial forensic expert, always ready to lend a helping hand. And he never forgot the lesson he learned. Even the smallest can make a difference, if only they open their eyes to see and their mind to learn.